Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ingrid here from Ingrid Joy Aromas. Today I have anxiety oil that I want to show you. I'm going to be putting some information on the screen for you also. Don't forget to subscribe guys to this channel. And today we are using all these three oils. And we're also going to top it off with a carrier oil. Don't worry if you don't see what I'm using. I will just drop it on the screen for you. So this anxiety oil can relieve stress, and it can also promote sleeping and also stimulate the sense of smelling. I think when you're having anxiety, deep breathing can also help. So if you are using these essential oils and it's not helping, try some deep breathing guys. That's really helpful for a lot of people, but using these essential oils can also help greatly. Some of the best oil to use for anxiety or frankincense, ylang ylang, lemon. Lemon is an awesome one. Caramel, Roman caramel is another one. Lavender is also another one. And lavender is used in so much different ways. So you can also use lavender for pain, lavender for anxiety. You can use lavender, it's so wide, even for just for cleaning. So where did you put these oil? So you can diffuse the oil, you can inhale the oil, you can put them on your temple, you can put them on your wrist, like you rub it on your wrist. You can rub it in areas that you think you will, it can help even your foot bottoms. Remember when you're using these oils, they have to diluted, or you have to use a carrier oil. You can also use a bobo oil. You can use almond oil. You can use coconut oil, not just like the coconut oil that you use in your kitchen, but the coconut oil that the manufacturer will use to put in products such as makeup and the rest of the body, but not the coconut oil that you cook with, because they are processed differently. So I'm going to be putting up a lot of information for you on the screen, just so that you can take note at the same time. But I forgot to tell you what I'm using, and also just follow along as I was talking about these things. So I'm using all these oils that I'm gonna be putting up on the screen for you, so you can actually go try it out, guys. And don't forget, you can diffuse them. You can, you can also use a 10-ounce bottle, the one that you can rub on your skin. This one is that I'm making is you can actually use it on your whole body. You can use it, I wouldn't say use this on your face, but you can use it at your temple area. And you can use this one to rub on your neck. But try to use it just at bedtime though. That will calm you down a bit. And you can use it on your arms as well. This one that I'm making. So as you can see, when you're finished with this oil, like I'm doing right now, you can just give it a good rub off with some Kleenex. And think I'm going to be showing you the video all over again and what I am doing, because I need to add a little bit more information for you to see. And so I'm going to make this run, and then I can put some more information for you on the screen. Also, I make a couple more, a couple already. So I'm going to be showing you a different one and how I made this one. So you can give these oils a try. See if it works for you. If it doesn't work, you should just grab a notebook and drop down all what gives you anxiety on it, and probably work on it. Like I said, deep breathing do help sometimes, and these oils do work sometimes. Not for everyone, because I was reading a research, and do some research on these oils, and the oils sometimes help to calm some people down, and then sometimes it doesn't work on others. And in this case, maybe you need medication. But I think before you get on medication, you should always try different things and see what works for you best. So I'm going to be stopping talking for a little bit because I need to concentrate on these oils. So I stopped talking for a little bit because I needed to concentrate for a bit and to put these oils in. I'm gonna be throwing up some information for you like right now, guys. So you can go ahead and read all these information. So sorry, I have to do these oils, and I was not talking for a little bit. So go ahead and give this a good shake when you finish. Tomorrow I will label these. I did not make any label for this right now, but I will make some label for tomorrow, and then I will do some labeling. As you can see right now, for me to remember what I am making, and I'm going to be writing down what I'm making right now and what oils I use, and so that tomorrow whenever I'm ready, I can just make the label and put them on. But for today, I'm making an order for someone. So this anxiety oil always helps her. So I am making this oil for her so she can have it tomorrow. So as you can see, I make 2 different oils, so I'll be writing down all these oils that I just used, and then there we go. Because if you never do this, you will get mixed up with all these. You will not know what is what. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching.